To download the installer, open an internet browser and go to ContourTrace.com. Now, hover your mouse cursor over the Software tab on the top navigation bar. Next, bring the mouse cursor to the Downloads page and click on it. Now click the Download Now button. When the download finishes, open the installer to start the installation. Please keep the internet connection active during installation, as it is required for downloading updates as well as for the activation of the software. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. On the desktop, find the ContourTrace icon and double-click on it. Before we can use it, the application must be activated. Therefore, we will see this license management window during the first startup. You can try out the ContourTrace software for 7 days free of charge and without any restrictions. To activate ContourTrace and request a license, simply sign up for an account through the ContourTrace account management window. Let's walk through the process together. Start by clicking on the email field and type your email address. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Now, ensure you read through the license agreement. Once you're ready, check the box to accept the terms. Lastly, click on the Sign Up button to complete the registration process. After signing up for your ContourTrace account, you'll soon receive an email to verify your email address. Inside the email, you'll find a verification link. Click on the link to confirm your email address. Once you've verified your email address, open the ContourTrace software and click on the Login button in the Account Management window. This will take you to the License and Subscription section where you can activate your trial license. Now click on Continue button to explore ContourTrace and unlock its full potential.